Hey there YouTube, I'm here to bring you yet another video. Today is Monday, October the 1st, 2018, about 9:35 in the morning, and starting out here with my FJ, and you see the mountains back behind us. Over here, got a little bit of fall color right up here in the woods, you can see. Got this cool tree right here. Let this vehicle get past me, and you can see, hopefully, I know the sun's washing some of this out, but a little bit of fall color here. As I walk up this way, you can definitely see there's a lot more, hopefully. But I'll get up here, I'll shoot up from the other way so you can definitely see the colors better. But here as we go beside these, check that out, the sky's starting to break up. Some of the mountains back there. And here you can see some of the color. Definitely much better. The tops there. And even looking through the woods, you can see color all through there. So, definitely a nice section. Here is a turnaround just a little bit that I've walked. There you can see the color, the sky, and everything better. Alright, okay, I've come a little further. You can see a nice stand of trees there, blue sky. This right over here. So far pretty nice, right? Go back up here, the risk of the sun. Just show you there's a lot more here. So let's get on with the road. Alright, so as I've come higher, you see the color down through there, all the way around here. FJ's good ways down there. I don't know if you can see this video or not. And we're getting closer to the top. You can see all the fall color in here. Up here again with the sun. But you gotta know this ain't gonna be so great on this video. But here across the road we got a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. As we go this way to get the sun more behind us, you'll definitely see the color, the sky, mountains. See some nice blue up there, darker clouds beyond, then of course the mountains. You see all the color through here, all the way up as we take a look up and through the woods there, and then all of this way. Looks pretty nice, does it not? So hopefully you've enjoyed this part. This is literally just the beginning. This is the first stop I have made to shoot anything. We're going to keep going, and hopefully I can bring you a lot of nice fall color in both video and pictures, and we'll see what we can gather. Alright, I'll see you on the next stop. Okay, so I'm driving down the road, and I come across these areas here. Let me just slowly pan this and show you. I mean, these are a distance away, I know, but there's an awful lot of color. Now we'll be driving down this road, so we'll get some other views from it to where you can see it better. Alright, so here's our next spot. It's getting quite windy, but hey, just wanted to show you this whole scene here. You can see the sky as we get back. It's getting darker and darker on me. Keep fighting until the end. You see a nice little stand right here, right? Alright guys, it's starting to sprinkle just a little bit. That up there is the way I just came from. And I've stopped again to take these right here. And hopefully you can see the beauty in these. And on back there as we look. Down here, right, there's my FJ again. You see these trees down here. Let's get close to this and I'll show you some more stuff. Alright, so I thought we'd start right here. I'll just swing you around. And look at all this lovely fall color. And those trees right there. These big rocks behind them. Pretty nice. See the curve of the road, that's always nice. All this color here. Very, very pretty. I think you gotta like that, right? Okay, so I've come down the road a little bit further. You see this fall color over here. But look at this side of the road. That's very nice. On down through here. What do you think about that? There's the FJ again. As we come out here. You see some more through those pine trees there. Not too shabby, right? Alright, as we're going down the road a little more, we're going to cross this bunch right here. And it goes on down through there. And then it's just all pine trees. And the road there, as you can see. But this is a pretty nice little spread right in here. I think, at least I like it. Hope you do too. Hey guys, I thought I'd start and show you this. You can see a little bit of red, a little bit of orange, a little yellow, a little green. So, a little fall color here. If in the right angle, with the right sun, it would look nice. But here, check this out. This is at Mackenzie Junction. All these roofs, these copper colored roofs. I always really liked this place, enjoyed it. Very beautiful, and even across the way you can see, that's 165 over there you're looking at. That bridge and all. And you can see some nice fall color over there. And as we turn back this way, as if we're going down 165, maybe you can see it, it looks a little dark on this camera, but a lot of fall color down on that hill. So, hopefully you like this. Very nice place. And here I'll get you a little bit more of this color that we started out with. Get down this way. There we go. See some of the pretty colors. Okay, up there at the top of the tree. Spin back around a little bit, get those. Alright guys, so now I'm out on 96, heading west. And look at this in front of me. Is that not beautiful? Love that bright color.